I found this in my swimming pool. Ducklings.
First things first, I'ma say
So I
all
took
the
them
words
out.
inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been.
But they jumped there again.
Ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing,
They
second,
finally
don't you tell
ended
me
in the
what you
guinea
think
pig
that I
enclosure
could be. I'm the one at the sail. I'm
and
the
was
master of
returned
my
to the
sea.
neighbors.
Oh,